Hey there, and welcome back to Patio Productions. Today, we're diving into the world of teak patio furniture. If you've been wondering why everyone's talking teak for their outdoor spaces, you're in the right place. You're going to learn what makes teak wood so special and why it's so amazing for your outdoor furniture. And we have to start with one of its greatest strengths: its remarkable durability. Teak is like the superhero of woods. It's one of the strongest and densest hardwoods out there. Its tight grain and high oil content make it resistant to all sorts of outdoor villains like moisture, insects, and even rot. But teak isn't just tough. It's gorgeous too, making it the star of showrooms and social feeds everywhere. When it's new, teak has this warm honey-brown color that's just stunning. And as it ages, it develops this beautiful silvery-gray patina that adds so much character to your outdoor space. It's like your furniture is telling a story. Now I know what you're thinking. But wait, doesn't all that beauty require a ton of maintenance? Well, here's the best part. Teak is actually super low maintenance. All you need to do is give it a quick brush and a gentle wash with mild soap and water every now and then. And let's not forget about comfort. Teak is naturally smooth and dense, so it's stable, sturdy, and soft for your fingertips. You can kick back and relax on your teak chairs without any wobbling or tipping. Plus, it stays cool in the summer and warms up in the winter, so it's always inviting. But here's the thing. When you invest in teak, you're not just getting a piece of furniture. You're getting a sustainable, eco-friendly choice that supports skilled artisans and communities. Teak is renewable and biodegradable. And when it's sourced responsibly from managed plantations, it has a minimal impact on the environment. So, if you're looking for patio furniture that's going to last a lifetime, look amazing, and be kind to the planet, teak is the way to go. And hey, if you want to learn even more about this incredible material, look in the description below for a link to our full comprehensive teak guide. And of course, if you're ready to start your own teak journey, come visit us at patioproductions.com. Thanks for hanging out with me today, folks. Until next time, happy decorating.